What do you want, Jake? What do you want? So you need to go this side here.
Rear up here.
Okay.
Cut from cut, thank you. We just jumped on the back of a fucking BART bus and left him. Yeah, Dim took us on a wild goose chase to his best friend's fucking bike shop. We got there and he'd got no bikes. Dim?
Hey mate.
Alright mate, well we figured if you got a push bike you'll beat us back anyway because the push bikes are quicker than the fucking trucks.
Where are you going? Are you going back to the...
Yeah, just gonna go try and find a bike shop near the hotel, mate.
Okay, I've only got 2% battery left, so I'll just look up how to get back to the route now and then I'll come.
You're on a push bike, yeah? You'll definitely beat us. See you in a bit.
I've got the time now.
Alright, see you in a bit. Bye. This little bellend actually beat us on his stupid push bike.
It's quick, man, I'm telling you.
As quick as you are with them fucking prostitutes. Right, we had a little bit of a scare when we got out of the BART bus. Gino thought he'd lost his passport, so we ended up flapping around a little bit and then went back to the hotel and luckily found it in his bag. Dim did beat us in the end, ironically. Because he got the bus last night, he's quite tired, so he stayed in and he's having a couple hours sleep. We're going to go and get the bikes now we have got the passports. We'll pass another pharmacy in Los Luis again. He doesn't seem to be able to go past a 7-Eleven or a pharmacy without going in. They do sell kombucha at the pharmacy though, which is quite interesting.
What time are we bringing back by the 7th?
Half one.
Half one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright now, we got the morning, fuck about.
Yeah. Oh, we're going to get train tickets.
Yeah, let's do that. Let's
Train
get that
stations,
locked in,
we're going to get tickets to Chiang Mai.
Just filling up the scoots, then we're going to go to the train station so we can book a train back to Bangkok to save a bit of money on the flight. Sleeper train apparently is really comfortable, you get a full bed, but they're in high demand, so unless you book it a week before, it's not likely we're going to get it. Fill her up, Lou. Yeah, fill that bitch right up.
Your brake, you tighten up.
Yeah.
Do my one. It's nice and hard. You like it hard, mate, yeah?
Right, we're at Chiang Mai train station quickly. Book these tickets and then go and do something fun. Yeah, you need your passport to book the train ticket for some bizarre reason, even though you're not leaving Thailand. But the motorbike man took my passport as a deposit for the mopeds, so we can't book the ticket just now. Right, got the stuff, come back, bought the tickets, so we're sorted. We're leaving for Bangkok on the 7th, arriving on the 8th for some more dental work. We're gonna go and fucking have a drive about now and see what's going on. So Gino's took us on a wild goose chase to a skate park. We've ended up in the middle of a building site with no building going on. Power station. How many skateboards about, G?
What? I put a dress in. I took the dress off of this. And it's back up the road by 4 minutes.
So it looks like we found the skate park, but it seems to be closed. Not sure if it's closed down or just closed today. Mad motorbike alien sculpture.
Mad looks like this. Breaking in. Get that going, man.
Not as nimble as they used to be.
No, look. That's solid.
Solid, nice.
Hello.
Coming down here tomorrow?
Yeah, have to. Got to go down there tomorrow.
Oh, look at the other little robot that's looking after the door.
That's a bit water.
Well, you do something with it, can't you?
It's not dry, or if there's a plume.
Sweep it all out.
Water out, that'll dry out.
Cosmic Neil says that a broom is a standard bit of kit for a skateboarder.
It's wet, it's wet. It's not even work. Skate, that's temporary wet. Oh, they all go down over the towels.
That's fucking weird. Chong Nomsu. Where would it fucking go?
It's got a whole park, but to be honest, just that little section there is good enough for me. I'll just come down there tomorrow.
Yeah, and just rip that little bit. Yeah, it's plenty. Maybe they open at certain times, maybe it's just shut for today. Maybe it's shut just for the King's birthday. Who knows? The King before this King is his birthday now, and they really love the King before this King, so they're gonna have a party. They don't like the new King so much. They just have to pretend they like him so they don't get arrested.
People a lot more.
Is he?
The old King did stuff like he built the BTS out of his own money. He built a lot of stuff. He's the third richest man in the world, I think it was.
Was he?
Yeah. What I know it's like the train line, the actual rail system, the King made happen and refined it. He brought the new Chiang Mai buses.
Yeah.
Wanted nothing for it, and then he did something with the BTS.
Wanted nothing for it. We don't take taxes then.
No, out of his own money, his own general wealth.
Where did he get his wealth?
Just off the land, obviously.
From the people.
Oh yeah, the farmers. The farmers.
Ultimately, his wealth is the wealth of the people. It's nice that he would spend it back on the people, as most of them don't. But these people take the piss, really. Anyway, this place is shut. Gino hasn't got a skateboard anyway. We're just scoping the joint for tomorrow.
Probably going to find it now.
Probably going to go back, see fucking Dumb and Dumber, see what they're saying. Possibly have a little gym sesh.
What happened? Oh mate, have a look at the hair in the fucking toilet. Right.
So are you ashamed of the fact that you cross-dress?
No, I'm not ashamed at all.
So
Yeah, not at all.
that's not gay?
No man, I'm comfortable with my sexuality, like I'm straight.
Is cross-dressing gay?
No. If you went to a house party and you dressed up as a nun, yeah, would you think that that person was gay?
Yeah, if you dress up at all, you're gay. If you do any kind of dress up, you're fucking gay.
Yeah, it's funny as fuck, bro. It's funny as
I bet
fuck.
you can put on girls' perfume.
Nah, I didn't. Nah, I don't think I did.
Wait, did you say you got pegged?
Yeah, I've been pegged before. Yeah, my ex pegged me. Told you before. This.
Oh, mate, you're fucking gay.
That's gay. It's like a beginner peg.
A warm-up peg.
Like a I can't
That's why you
remember.
were pissed off about it. You didn't go for bigger. How big was it?
Oh, did you go in?
Like
did you?
that by.
That big as shit, Smash.
Yeah, bigger shit, yeah. As you mate,
Mate, it was so painful.
Oh, did you go straight for a biggie when you had to go?
It was a double one, so hers was like.
Oh, so you're both doing
yeah, it
bomb
was
to
huge.
bomb.
It was huge.
That's not a peg though. That's just
It was like
dildo.
a seesaw, you know You're not sus.
Why?
If you throw a stone in the bush and a dog barks, there's a dog in the bush.
I don't understand.
Yeah, think about it. Yeah. Me and Dim come to the gym. He done his own thing and left early. I've been here for the last 2 hours. I just want to show you the gym. It's like 60 baht to get in, so £1.50. Check it out. Absolutely massive gym with fucking every machine you could think of for £1.50 a time. And I think that's a more expensive rate than if you pay monthly. It's fucking crazy, mate. Thailand is the one. I'm gonna go back to the hotel room, meet the boys, and then who knows what we get up to.
Cunts, we're back. We're going to Sticky Waterfall today. We're gonna go to the J place and then ride the bikes.
Before we go to the waterfall, we're gonna go and get some vegan popo. Don't know what the fuck they're made of. It looks like rice or something, but they're amazing. Yeah, fucking nice. Come to the little J restaurant to get some grub before we hit the waterfall. So Lewis and Dim decided they need a break from me and Gino. Can't blame them. Lewis is going to the gym and Dim's going to go and lay by some pool. Gino and I are still going to go to the waterfall and see what's going on. It's a lovely day and we've only got a few days here, so we're going to get amongst it.
Right mate, so we've got 47 minutes left to go and it's pretty much a straight line now all the way up. but we've done some coverage already.
It's really beautiful today. The sun's out, the clouds are fluffy. We're gonna stop here, get some milkshakes to dip our cookies in, and then we're gonna get to the waterfall. Road's fucking bumpy.
Fourth exit, we've got to a roundabout, and it's left.
Sam, I'll follow you. Absolutely fucking shit myself there. When I pulled over to get the camera, I must have forgotten to put the stand away. So when I turned the corner, it just hit the floor, and my heart went in my throat. Cunt. Made it.
Made it.
Now we're gonna walk to the waterfall. Raisins. I thought it was fucking chocolate. So we're walking to the bottom of the waterfall to walk up the actual waterfall itself. It's called the Sticky Waterfall, so apparently you can walk up it and it won't slip.
This is a trick.
So we're gonna have a go. If I slip, it's fucking Gino's fault. It's definitely a lot further down than I thought it was. You reckon you got more chance of slipping on these wooden stairs than you have on the waterfall?
This bridge was here last time. This is just like, you come down here, this is a big pool, like deep.
Want people swimming and stuff in it?
Yeah, you go down there.
I've been conned. They made me walk down the stairs on the promise of walking up the waterfall, and now there's a fucking barrier.
I reckon we can climb over.
And walk up it?
Walk up it.
Oh, okay.
Adventure time!
Oh no. He's always pushing my boundaries. Cold?
That's alright. Joe doesn't like anything too extreme or too danger pushing. Old tyres on here.
Right. We're earthing. We're watering.
SAS special. Da, da, da. Oh, there is a way down there. Yeah. Oh.
Fucking fools.
So there's a different way from when we come
So
last time.
that thing there, we probably could have walked up and then just come down without having to be dangerous.
Definitely.
But Gino likes a bit of danger, and I just get talked into things by him. Apparently, it's not slippery. It's called Sticky Waterfall. So, what the fuck? That's mental, isn't it? Right, so we're walking up the Sticky Waterfall. It's a waterfall. Your feet won't stick. It's like a really porous rock. You put your foot on it, it won't move. It's a really mad experience. What are you saying, G? You feeling stuck to the rock?
Yeah, gravity though, isn't it?
Yeah, it must be gravity, mate. back to the top, and yeah, although most of it was very sticky, the last portion of it was quite slippy, and you could have definitely fucking damaged yourself. Some bloke nearly fell down.
I nearly fell down.
Really, really interesting experience. The majority of it is very sticky, porous rock that you put your foot on, but the last little bit has got some strange green algae, which is a bit deceptive for a rock that's supposed to be sticky. So Pinocchio nose over here was
you shit yourself, Mooch. You knew you did.
Yeah, you fucking knew I was gonna slip. You fucking cunt.
I knew you were really scared. I was like,
fucking prick.
That's why I made you go from the bottom. So I know if you started from the top, you wouldn't have bothered with that midway section. I know you would be like, nah, you fucking like it.
That's fine. When I got home yesterday from the gym, these boys had got me a box of fried chicken. But it wasn't fried chicken, obviously, it was fried oyster mushroom. And it was really, really good. So we've come here to have a look at what else they do and to show you the delicious fried chicken. Mushroom, shout out. Oyster mushroom, deep fat fries. That was ridiculous. We can't get anything like that in England without onion and garlic in it. We just got back from the mushroom place. The SD card got full and I didn't have a spare SD card, so that's why the video cut out. I hope you enjoyed the trip to the sticky waterfall as much as we did. You probably didn't because you weren't there and we were, but whatever. Tonight we're going to go for a massage and check out the night bazaar. Yeah. Here we have Lewis in his natural habitat, hypnotised by the tiny mating call. He's heard the mating call and now he's found where he belongs. We've lost a friend. He will now be at the Thai boxing all night.
Where's the ring nurse?
Lewis is always looking to beat a man in the ring.
Is that true, guys?
I beat up some man last night, but it wasn't in the ring.
Well, you beat a man in the ring last night?
Not in the ring, on some mats.
Not in the ring, in his mouth. Look who we found at the night bazaar. Gino just ordered a J pad Thai and it come with stinking onions. And then the woman really didn't want to give him back his 60 baht. She did not want to give you that fucking 60 baht back. Oh, so we've just found some wooden fly agaric mushrooms.
Are they any different?
Fucking banging, mate. Hot as fuck. Coconut pud.
Fuck, that's delicious.
Dim's fucked off to go and play a ladyboy at pool in a really noisy, loud club. And Lewis has eaten too many stomach tablets or something's happened and his stomach's bad again. So me and Gino are just checking out the rest of the market and then we're gonna go and get a massage.
40, that's a shit rate.
We're looking for 42 or above. But we need to get a massage at a professional place where they're not going to try and fucking make us part of the Me Too movement. So we're on the hunt now. We tried getting into a place down there and the woman was such a fat slob. We asked her, like, yeah, we would have a massage, and she just looked like she couldn't be fucking arsed to get up. So, and then a lot of the other ones are like prostitutes. So we're gonna go and try and find a legitimate, decent massage place before they close. Great. Yeah, so it turns out massage places in Chiang Mai close quite early. So, yeah, unless you want a perverted massage, which we don't. We have girlfriends and our gym. So yeah, we sacked it off. We're just going up the 50 fucking flights of stairs to our room, and we're probably just gonna chill. So see us tomorrow. Dim is such a little pervert. He's now having sex with the weights. Found a little Dimmy sex doll with the perfect size hole for Dimmy's penis. If Arnold Schwarzenegger had sex with a packet of super noodles, this is what you get. Whoa.
I thought you said you weren't going to film it.
Whoa.